everybody. I'm just sitting here driving, listening to some Kafaru cast. Heading back out west. It's October 14th. It's October 14th. Rifle season opens tomorrow, and my tag is good for any weapon, so I'm heading back out rifle hunting for the weekend. I've got Saturday, Sunday, Monday to hunt, and I'll come back Monday if I don't get one, and that would mark the end of my season. But I haven't been hunting since elk season in September, and that was archery season, and we did 9 days up here. No luck. Learned a lot, got into a lot. Yeah, that was a very good experience, and hopefully you guys have made it through the videos that far. But took a few weeks off. A lot has happened in those few weeks in my life. We bought a house, we moved into a house, and we've been working on getting settled. And then this weekend was actually not supposed to be my weekend to rifle hunt elk. It was supposed to be next weekend. Cassandra was supposed to get an eye procedure done this weekend, and it turns out that her eyes aren't quite ready to have the procedures, and that led me to be heading west right now. But we've got Chad. I'm gonna pick him up in his hometown, and then we're gonna head up to the mountains and see if we can get on one right away in the morning and see if we can get one down. But me, I've got about 7 hours or so left in this drive, and I'll just be sitting here listening to podcasts, dreaming about elk. Stay tuned, everyone. This is the start of what I feel like is gonna be a great video, and hope you guys enjoy it too. Also, make sure you guys are liking and subscribing. I'll be wearing some Blaze this weekend. We've got Blaze hats, we've got the Gunner, and I also have a Blaze beanie that I'll be wearing. Comment down below if you guys like them, and make sure you're hitting the link in our bio to take you to our shop, and we can get you one of those. Good morning, everybody. So, opening morning. To say that I slept well would be a lie. Woke up multiple times. Woke up at midnight thinking that I had already slept and it was time to get up, and then woke up a few more times after that. But yeah, the excitement of opening morning is here. I'm getting up, getting ready to go, trying to line up tripods and stuff so we can have one for the camera and have one for shooting, and then I'll get my gun loaded, and yeah, then we'll be on the move. Waiting for it to get light here. We got quite a bit of time before sunrise, so we're up plenty early. But I'm gonna finish packing up my bag here, and we're gonna go get on some elk. Sounds like the plan this morning is to kind of stay mobile. We're going to cover some ground and see if we can look over some areas and get on some elk. Shooting light, and we actually just turned up our first group of elk. We got a little bit of time before we need to be there, so see what we do here. There's some right along the 2-track up here too, in the saddle on the 2-track.
get below him because of the wind.
Yeah.
So, what? I don't know. What do you want to do?
Well, yeah, I don't think. How far did you say you had him at 769? I think we better do something dig closer. No matter what rifle, I'm probably not ready to take a 700-yard shot. I haven't shot enough to do that. We got a lot of elk spotted. We're trying to make a move on them. Trying to get closer. About 770 yards. Jeez. If we run this way. We couldn't locate him again, but we see a few more elk up in the distance. Lots of gunshots on the way in. We're moving off of this bull. Before we got down here, he ducked into the trees, and pretty sure he's staying down there. He was bugling a little bit, but he sounds like a dang good bull. We are getting ready to head out here and kind of working with Cole. His wife actually shot a bull this morning. We can see him. We're kind of trying to coordinate with them and what kind of help they need. And then, otherwise, we're gonna get out of here and go find a different spot. But, cool encounter. Sounds like a big growly bull. Very cool encounter. Just finished packing out Ashley's bull. Back at the cabin. Now I think we're gonna regroup and figure out what our next play is. Yeah. Oh, there goes my backpack. Fairly easy backpack. Pack out. It was straight uphill on the way in, and then straight downhill on the way out. It was not bad. We got it all in one trip between the three of us, so yeah, fun to pack out a bowl, fun to be on bowls this morning. So pretty good start to the weekend. But I'm gonna get my stuff reorganized here and get ready to go for the rest of the day. All right, we're getting ready to go here. We took a little break after we packed that elk out, and now we kind of game planned what we want to do this evening, and we're going to cover some ground, glass some openings, see what we can find. Chad saw a lot of elk in here when he was driving around and glassing, so we're going to find some openings, see if we can see anything, and see if we can make a move on it. The weather turned this afternoon. It's cloudy, breezy, and fairly chilly, so seems like stuff is up on their feet fairly early, and no, feels good. Weather feels good. Think it'll happen.
We got 405. We got 405 up to the cow. Shaking his neck? Yeah. We got 405. Yeah, I got 405 to that top cow. If he steps right there, he's going. There he is. Watch that. Cow's right behind him. Just give him a second. I lost him now. He's to the right. There's a cow right behind him. Don't shoot.
Oh, I see him. Okay. I'm gonna go right
Clear.
behind the shoulder.
Nothing's behind him.
Right behind the shoulder. Here we go.
He's hit. You hit him good. You hit him
See
good.
him?
Just stay on him.
I don't see him.
He's right behind the tree.
Okay. Should I send one?
No,
No, I got a tree.
He's going down. Hold on. He's going down.
Yep,
He's going down. He's going down.
He's going down. He's going down. He's down. He's down.
He's got his head up still. Just see what happens.
Just lay down.
He's
Just
done.
lay down.
He is done.
Okay. Mark him.
Guys, I just shot my first elk. We got 405 yards from it. I was able to get prone. Basically no wind, and looked like the 175 ELD-X out of the 7 PRC just hammered him. That's awesome. I was shaking so bad before I put my dope in. Chad looked at me and he asked me if I was shaking, and my hand is just sitting there quivering. And then had to put my backpack underneath my bipod and got on him, no windage, let it rip, and it drilled him. We think maybe he ran 30 yards or so, 40 yards, and he piled up. So we're gonna go see if we can get on him and find him. That is awesome. First bull elk, first elk. Drilled him. One shot. Gosh. I don't even know what to say. It all came together. They're just such big animals. This is freaking awesome. Thank you guys. I really appreciate it.
Hell yeah. That's what it's all about.
Yeah. I got two packers here to help me get this out of here, so. Oh.